Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Yes, if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Medilock. Yes, and I'm saying a big welcome to you. Thank you for coming to our channel. Thank you for clicking on my video today. Thank you for watching my video. Okay, for those who are just passing by, you're welcome. Please don't just watch my video and go without subscribing. Just click on the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel and join us on this family, because on this family we learn simple solution to life and anything that gives us fast and simple solution to life without necessarily going diabolical. That is what we do. That is what we seek out for in this channel. Okay, so you're welcome. You being here today is not a mistake. You are not here by mistake. God led you here. Okay, you're welcome. So guys, today I want to show you something about fenugreek. You know, we did a video on fenugreek recently, but I've come to show you fenugreek powder and what you can do with it. Yes, fenugreek is a spice, and um, it is also highly spiritual, especially when it comes to money drawing, money magnet. Are you into business and money is not staying in your hand? When you buy something, the money you use in buying goods, you will not realize profit, but you start entering into your capital. Are you having that kind of issue? Are you a salary earner and then salary does not meet a dime in your account every month? Before you even collect your salary, responsibilities are already lining up to consume the money. Are you experiencing that kind of problem? Are you somebody that nobody at all gives you anything? You are the only one struggling and struggling all the time, to take care of yourself, to take care of your bills, take care of everything that concerns you. Don't worry. The solution to the problem has come today. Yes. By the grace of God, you will kiss all those problems goodbye. Yes. I want to show you how you can use this. Okay. See, fenugreek. People are just shouting cinnamon powder, cinnamon powder. They don't know that there are other herbs that has money drawing potency that is more than that of cinnamon stick, cinnamon powder. Yes, fenugreek is one of them. Okay, and I told us last time I will be doing a lot of things on herbs, on spices. Want to like expand our knowledge on them, give us understanding and what we can do with them so that we can get spiritual result. Remember, spiritual controls the physical. This is a fact. Okay, there is no point arguing it. We all know, and I know that spiritual controls the physical. So once you do something and get it spiritually, then the physicality of it is just a walkover. It's a walkthrough. But if you don't do anything spiritually on your case, then you'll just be shouting and shouting. Yes. So, but when you take care of the spiritual aspect of your problem, then the physical will not withstand you. Yes. So guys, how do we use fenugreek? I will show you two different ways that you can use fenugreek. I just want to like simplify it. Okay? Just very simple, very easy, the way you can do it without any stress. Yes. So guys, let me see. You in this recipe, how to use this. You'll be needing, the principal ingredient here is fenugreek. Okay, You will be needing fenugreek, either the seed or the powder. You see, the way you use the powder is different from the way you use the seed. Okay, but they are all the same, similar. Yes. Smells wonderful. It's a spice. Okay, so I'll be right back.
Simple solutions to life.
Yes, so welcome back, welcome from that time out. Let me do my eye for you. See, you see this fenugreek. What you will do, like you can just count 7 seeds of this. 7 seeds, just 7 seeds of them, and put them in your purse, in your wallet. 7. Put them in your wallet or in your purse. You understand? Yes. Your body, your name, yourself, your spirit, your soul will be in tune with money. And things that are spending your money spiritually, that when they come to the physical, you see your money will just be going with the wind. That thing will fade out of your life. Yes. A sister called me 3 days ago, and she was telling me that she has never bought any product from me. But the things that we explain on the channel, she used to follow them. She used to follow them and do them. And she's now having savings. She's somebody that does not have savings before. But now she has savings. She was thanking me and saying, no, you have to thank God. It is God and not me. So guys, these things that we are telling you here, they are real, okay? Don't just listen to them and just drop them like that, okay? So now, like the seed now, I've told us you can put 7 seeds of it inside your purse or your wallet. But fenugreek has very pungent, or is it pungent, or how do I say it? Very strong aroma. You understand? You can also put them in your drawer, like now. Like now, you can put them in your drawer. You can put them under your pillow if you want. Like your pillow, you can just count 7. Open up your pillow and put them inside. Yes. And then that one is for the seeds. Okay. Now, the powdered one. How do we use the powdered one? See, when you grind it, the whitish inside will overshadow the color and it becomes brighter. But if it is in seed, it looks yellowish, dark brown, light brown or golden or something like that. But when you blend it, it becomes a little bit creamy in color. You see? So, all you need to do, when I look at this, I smile because I know what it does spiritually. Yes, this is a spice. You understand? But it works powerfully. Yes. All you need to do is just get a teaspoon of this, get your bucket of water and then add it to your bucket of water. Stir it, pray over it, say your intention. When they say you should pray over something, what they are saying is that you should say your intention. What do you want? What are your needs? What are your desires? Then you say it. and be careful. When you say something, you should be ready. I told us last time, if you are looking for money, you should have the capacity to manage that money, so that money will not manage you. So if you can manage the money, ask for it. Especially anything that has to do with finance, because the Bible said it now, money answereth all things, isn't it? Money answereth all things. So if you have money, so many things will answer to you, whether you like it or not. You say, can money buy love? Can money cure sickness? Fall sick now, even ordinary malaria can kill somebody if you don't have money to treat it. Yes, typhoid fever can catch somebody now and it will eat up your intestine, just because you don't have money to take antibiotics, to take intravenous injection to treat yourself, or even to go for ordinary tests. So money answereth all things, but the love of money is the root of all evil. So you don't love money, but you just try to put things together to attract that money. Money is supposed to serve you and not you serving money. Okay? All right, guys. Congratulations to us, and I'll see you again in our next video. Love you all. Bye.